Are you confused by dependent prepositions? Let's move through them together. First, we look at the door. We always use at with look. Next, we go through the tunnel. We pass through an obstacle. Sometimes we walk across a bridge. We move across a surface. Now let's jump into the box. We move into a container and jump out of a box. Always remember the preposition pair. When we walk up the stairs, when we are tired, and we walk down the stairs when we are relaxed. See, to, through, and across are just parts of the verb. You've mastered it. Subscribe for more grammar made simple.